Now a man facing a string of juvenile sex crimes is also the focus of an animal abuse investigation. Jason Lancaster had a court hearing this morning and would like to post bond so he can be released. But as News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us, Lancaster remains locked up while awaiting trial.
Lancaster is not only charged with sex crimes, but also bribery of a witness and stalking. So there is concern if he were to get out of jail. The question, would the amount, $1 million of his bond, be lowered? The answer for now is no. This means Lancaster will remain locked up, which is exactly where Carissa Sue Peel wants him to stay.
I was one of the people who originally reported him in 2008.
Lancaster was first arrested back then and pleaded guilty to solicitation of a minor to commit aggravated statutory rape. Under a plea deal, his record was expunged after 4 years of probation. Lancaster then opened a horse stable in Christiana, and now he's accused of more sex crimes.
He should have never been taken off the sex offender registry list. He should have never been allowed to open a barn where he could groom more than horses.
All right, sir, you are Jason Lancaster?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Lancaster, you're charged with statutory rape by an authority figure.
That is just one of 10 charges now filed against Lancaster, including 2 felony counts of rape and 3 counts of statutory rape by an authority figure. There also is an ongoing investigation of Lancaster for allegedly abusing several horses in his care.
Their water source was green sludge, is what I called it. It was literally disgusting and not an adequate water source for any animal.
16 horses were taken from Lancaster's stable, some malnourished and with body sores, but no charges filed yet.
We are compiling pictures every day and every week. We've been asked by law enforcement to do weekly updates for as long as we can.
So what would it take for Lancaster to be able to make a $1 million bond? Well, for one, he could get several bonding companies together to agree to do it for a $100,000 fee, or Lancaster could try posting a property bond using his stable to get out of jail. But for now, he is staying behind bars. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Nick, thanks. Lancaster's attorney may ask the judge to lower the bond at a hearing next month. The district attorney says he'll be arguing against it.